Hey guys, Standell, President Florida SunCoast. Hope you're doing good. Hey, it's a little chilly out here tonight. I know that's a word we don't get to use in Florida very often, but I'm glad for the temperature change. So looking forward to the weekend, a little bit cooler weather, and a lot of things going on. Let me just hit them real quick. This Saturday, we're taking a drive out to the Seminole, to the, I forget how to say it, to the Indian Reservation. We're going to tour the museum, do a drive, and have lunch together. So check out the calendar down below. And then on Tuesday, I believe we have the Jacksonville dinner is on Tuesday. And then coming up, I think we have something else going on in St. Pete. And then just check out the calendar. There's so much I can't keep it in my brain tonight. And then next, on the 7th, we have the Sebring. We'll take a trip out to Sebring, see the historic races. Lunch on us, we're cooking the whole 9 yards. Get your reservation in and then go online and buy your ticket. Make sure you can see it or print it out so you can see it at the gate when you get in, to get in. And then there's like 6 or 8 things going on the 7th down in the other events column. So check those out. A lot of things going on up in Meribeth's area, all over the place. There's something for somebody any part of the state, so check that out. Just got a call from the other side of the state, Fort Lauderdale. It's the fuel-fed cars and coffee. I think that's this Sunday. So for our friends that watch us off the East Coast, Fort Lauderdale, Miami, West Palm Beach area, there's the fuel-fed cars and coffee event this Sunday. So check that out. We'll see if we can get that on the calendar. And then just a heads up, we did get confirmation. So we're putting up some information on our drive. Around New Year's, up Snake Road, we'll meet the Alfa Romeo Club, the Antique Legacy BMW Group, and a bunch of high-end cars. We'll do a drive on Snake Road and end up having lunch out in Clewiston, out in the middle of the state. So it might be December, but we got a lot going on. So check out the calendar down below, and we'll see you at one of these events. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. Safe travels. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye now.